Hello, one and all. Hello, one and all. NYSE Einstein from the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. May 15th, Monday. We didn't get to speak on Friday. We had a really strong week. This market's hovering around the 21,000 share level. Oil's bouncing back in a big way. We saw it bottom out 43.44, reversal. Apparently it's a break-even point with production here in the U.S. around the 44 level. I really believe that the producers start getting involved in buying the commodity when it gets that level. Okay, also a double bottom. We see this range from 45 to 53, 45 to 53, back and forth. VIX is kind of dead in the water, but net we were waiting for something to initiate and instigate this market to go higher, and I believe it was oil. I think we have completely divorced ourselves from what's going on in Washington, Mr. Spicer, with Russia, with Comey, FBI, Korea, war, world war, who absolutely knows. Tweets about NAFTA, tweets about banks breaking up the big banks. Basically, all that headline-driven madness. Last week, he talked about breaking up the big banks. Market sold off for 11 minutes, about 60 cents, and bounced back up. I think the market and the people who are realistic in this market, even a lot of people supporting Trump, are completely divorcing themselves from reacting to the headlines because he's freestyling. He doesn't mean what he says. He doesn't know what he means. I don't think he knows what he's doing. I think he's way over his comfort level, and I think the market realized that. It realized that what he says and what he does basically at this point has no effect on the market, no effect on the earnings. We just finished. We're basically at the end of earnings season. First tranche was financials. They acted great. Tech all-time high. NASDAQ and S&P closed today also. The only thing is the consumer discretionary, the autos, the retailers got decimated. Food stocks a little under pressure. Net at the end of the day, it was a good quarter that way. The market's totally divorcing itself from what's coming out of Washington and from what's happening in the world. Net, it really feels like this morning we came in, it was a massive buy program. On the close, a massive buy program. There are people on the sidelines, there are people putting money to work. You know, where else are you going to put your money? That's it. There's money around. Everyone was waiting on the sell in May and go away. It didn't happen. There's been no sell-off. There are a lot of people short this market. They're not getting the break they're looking for. We bounced back from the 20,500 level. We are hovering and building fundamental technical strength at the 21,000 level on the Dow. Russell up, spiders up big, oil back up only to 50 bucks. Guys, this market's on fire. This is a train rolling down the track. You got to hop on board. People have been waiting for this to break. A lot of people are short this market. But we got to engage this oil trade. Huge bounce back in the oil. Even oil up, gold up, Russell up, spiders up, Dow up. Forget about it. What do you got to do with this thing? Anybody who's trying to pick a top here, it's not working. Anybody who's trying to scoop some bottom feed stuff, also they're not getting the opportunity. Everyone who's trying to buy back a short, waiting for a break, they're not getting the opportunity. Everything's rallying, money being put to work, huge money flowing to the market, even though everything in Europe seems like their markets are solid and strong too. So that's where we sit on a Monday in the middle of May. Don't sell in May and go away. Get into the market. Hop on board. This market's on fire, ladies and gentlemen. As am I, Einstein, NYSE. Stick with me. Stick with this market. Stick with the NYSE. I love you all.